The first digital product on our list is the Christmas clipart bundle. This is one of the biggest sellers on Etsy right now, already showing over 20 people having them in their carts, which usually means they're selling fast. People are buying these Merry Christmas-style clipart designs like crazy, and these clipart can be used in so many different ways. Buyers can put them on wall art, t-shirts, mugs, cards, whatever they want. The ratings are all above 4.5 stars, which tells you this is a reliable product you can easily create and sell. Now let me walk you through exactly how to make these clipart designs yourself. Start by opening ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this. I want to create Christmas greeting PNG text with a simple Christmas ornament for a greeting card to sell on Etsy. Give me an AI image generator prompt that will help me create it. You can change the wording to try different design ideas if you want. ChatGPT will give you several prompt options. I'm going to choose the first one. Copy that prompt and head over to an AI tool called Leonardo AI. You'll find the link in the description. Paste the prompt into the generator, select the auto model, and set the style to none. You can choose any size or number of images you want. I'm testing just one image right now, so I don't use up too many credits. Then hit Generate. Leonardo works pretty quickly, so your design should be ready in just a few seconds. Once it's done, click the Download button. Next, go to Canva and create a new design. A 1000 by 1000 pixel canvas works great, but you can make it larger if you prefer. Upload the image you just downloaded and stretch it to the edges of the canvas. I've already created a few examples here in Leonardo, so I'm downloading them and bringing them back into Canva. You can also remove the background like this, but it's a Canva Pro feature. You have to create 10 to 15 images to make a bundle. Once you have enough, download your final PNG files, and you're ready to start selling your clipart bundle on Etsy or any other creative platform. The next product is another bestseller, and this one is a digital art painting. You'll notice there are all kinds of mock-ups for it on Etsy, and it's already sitting in more than 20 carts, which is always a great sign. It has a solid 4.9 star rating, and it's clearly making steady sales. So let me show you how you can create this one yourself. Go ahead and open ChatGPT and type in something like, I want to create a watercolor Christmas tree without any text written on it. Just a Christmas tree with watercolor style painting and in white background. Please give me an AI image generator prompt that would do this job. ChatGPT will give you a really detailed prompt we can use. Once you have that, head over to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt in. Hit Generate. It only takes a few seconds. And just like that, we've got a beautiful watercolor-style Christmas tree. Download that image and bring it into Canva. Adjust it on your canvas so it sits exactly how you want. Now let's add a little text to bring it to life. Go to the Elements tab, type Merry Christmas, and make sure you're looking under Graphics. Browse through the designs and pick the one that fits your style. I'm choosing this one here. When you're happy with the final look, go ahead and download it as a PNG. You can bump up the quality and remove the background if you need to. That's our second digital product created using AI. If you're still with me, please hit the like button before we jump into product number 3. Alright, the next product is e.l.f. Editable Canva Templates. This one is also a bestseller, and it's already sitting in more than 20 carts. The shop that sells these has over 20,000 total sales. Of course, not all of those sales are from this specific listing, but the fact that it's a bestseller right now means there's clearly a strong demand for it. So let me show you how you can make something similar using free Canva. Go ahead and open Canva and create a new design. I'm using a 1000 by 1000 pixel canvas for this. Once you're in, Click on Elements and search for Elf. Hit See All, and you'll see tons of options. Pick the one you like. I'm going to choose this one. Place it on your canvas and adjust it the way you want. Now go back to the Elements tab and search for Circle Frame. Click the first one that appears and place it over the face area of the elf. This is where people will add their photo. Test it out with a picture of a child or a sample photo just to make sure everything fits nicely. When you're happy with it, go to Share, click See All, and choose the option to create a template link. This is what you'll be selling on Etsy, so buyers can edit it themselves. Now, just a quick note. If you're using the free version of Canva, you can't sell the built-in graphics commercially. If you want to sell Canva templates legally, you can buy commercial-use elf graphics from Creative Fabrica for a really affordable price. Then you can upload those into Canva and build your template using graphics that you're actually allowed to sell. I've added the link in the description for you. Next up, we've got printable Christmas wish lists. This one is a total bestseller, especially with the holidays coming up. It's already in more than 20 carts, and honestly, it's one of the easiest digital products you could ever make. Seriously, if you look at the ones on Etsy, you'll see there's nothing complicated about them. Anyone can design this. So let's hop into Canva and make one together. Start by opening a blank canvas that's 1000 by 1500 pixels. Once you're in, go over to the Elements tab and search for Christmas lines. You'll see a bunch of decorative options pop up. Pick one you like. I'm choosing this one. And place it right at the top. Adjust it so it centers nicely and gives you that festive header look. Now we're going to build the main area. On the left, search for Shape and select a simple rectangle. Stretch it out so it fills most of the page, but leave a little space around the border to keep it clean. Change the color to something light and soft, and adjust it until it looks good. Next, let's add the title. Type out the word Christmas and switch the font to something with a calligraphy or handwritten style. Try a few options until you land on one that fits the vibe you want. Then add another text box that says Wish List and place it right underneath. To finish off the header, add a small line below it as a divider. Now let's make the checklist. Go back to Elements and search for a square shape. Remove the fill color so it's just an outline. Shrink it down and use that as your checkbox. Line it up with where your list items will go. Once you're happy with the size and position, group it with a guideline and then just duplicate it down the page until you've filled the whole list area. Adjust the spacing so everything looks even. Now let's add a few Christmas graphics to make it cute. Go back to Elements, search Christmas, and hit See All. Scroll through the options and pick a couple that match your style. I'm choosing this little Christmas tree and this gift box. And just for fun, I'm grabbing a Santa hat and placing it on top of the letter C in Christmas. It's a small detail, but it makes the design feel more festive and playful. Once everything looks good, go up to Share and download it as a PDF print. And that's it. You now have another great digital product ready to upload to Etsy. Next up, we have black and white minimal greeting cards. This one is also a bestseller, and it already has a solid 4.8-star rating. These cards are super clean and minimal, which makes them really easy to design. And because they're minimal, people love using them for printing at home or adding to their gift packaging. So let's head back into Canva and make one. Create a new design that's 1200 by 800 pixels. Once you're in, go to the Text tab and add a greeting. I'm going with Merry Christmas. Adjust it on the canvas and switch the font to something a little more stylish or elegant. Whatever fits the minimal vibe you want. Now go to the Elements tab and search for Christmas trees black and white. You'll see a ton of simple graphic options. Pick one you like and place it at the bottom of the card. Then choose a different black and white element and place it at the top to balance the design. Once everything is lined up and looks good, just go to Share and download your card. You can choose PNG if you're selling it as a digital download, or PDF print if you want the buyer to get a high-quality file for printing. And that's it. You've got a clean, minimal, best-selling Christmas greeting card ready to upload to Etsy. Now the next product we have is printable gift tags. These tags are super popular and incredibly easy to design. They sell really well because everyone needs gift tags during the holidays to attach to their presents, so there's always demand for them. Let's head back into Canva and create a new design. Set the size to 800 by 1500 pixels. Once you're in, go to the Elements tab on the left and search for Christmas tree. Pick a tree you really like. I'm choosing this one, and place it toward the top or center of your tag. Now go to the Text tab and add 2 text layers that say To and From. After that, go back to Elements and add 2 simple lines underneath each word so people have space to write the names. Adjust the spacing so it looks neat and easy to use. Once everything is set, go to Share and download the design as a PDF for print. And that's it. Another simple but high-demand digital product, ready to upload and sell on Etsy this Christmas season. And that wraps up all 6 Christmas digital products you can start selling on Etsy right now. As you just saw, every single one of these is beginner-friendly, fun to create, and totally doable using AI tools in Canva. And the best part is that people are already searching for these like crazy during the holiday season, so it's the perfect time to jump in. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.